It's a good way, I think, of leading into the move that you have, right? You bought American Express today at the open.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me more.
Yeah, so you're looking for a stock to buy. I have one for you.
Talk to me. Talk to me.
Ironically, you're giving up on the consumer, and I'm making a bet on the consumer because we've been talking nonstop for the last couple of years about how the consumer has been so resilient, and we can't figure out why, but it's really the higher-end consumer that's been so resilient, right? Like 10% of households make up for 50% of consumer spending. That is American Express's core customer base. The Platinum Card itself generates something like 10% the level of spending on their Blue Cash card, which is the base level card, and that's where the opportunity really is. So them leaning into their higher end consumer, to me, looks like a huge opportunity. We keep talking about, like, when we have days like today, we come on and Scott says, what should you be buying right now? And we always say, go find quality at a reasonable price. Go find cheap quality stocks.
Look at the beating. Look at the beating in this stock. What is this pricing in?
American Express being down 20% right now, year to date, to me, looked like a huge opportunity to grab a quality company at a great price. And so I'm really making a bet. I'm making a bet that the consumer really is as resilient as we say, especially at the higher end. And they don't really care that gas prices are $4 at the pump right now. That's really what this is a bet on.
So when you look at Amex, and you had a choice that versus Visa and MasterCard, the big difference is the balance sheet.
So
Amex
Visa,
uses...
Those are also kind of more in the pay. They're kind of payments companies in a more
This is actually the point I'm going at.
Way than American Express.
This is the point I'm going at, which is that American Express has a balance sheet. You're absolutely right, Scott. It's more of a technology company when you look at Visa, MasterCards. American Express has a balance sheet.
So
with what's going on with interest rates, is that a plus or a minus for Amex?
There's a K-shaped economy that we keep talking about that's more important, I think, to this conversation. And the reason I say that is because you brought up Visa. So Visa, bottom end of the K. Every single debit card in America has the Visa logo on it. Amex is at the top end of that K, and that K is K-ing harder and harder. And so I own Visa already. I think American Express presents an opportunity being down 20% right now because their gross margins are something like 20 versus the Visa with gross margins at about 60. They have a huge opportunity to grow into it and actually capture that simply because they're leaning harder into that higher end and leaving everybody else.
So one more quick question. Did you look at Capital One? I want your knowledge. That's why I'm asking you. How about Capital One versus...
So
I get it's not the upper end of the K, but it's an upper cover in terms of a new network and using its balance sheet.
Capital One's digesting an acquisition right now. That's a little bit of a distraction. Again, I really want to own the top end of this consumer space because I don't love exposure to the consumer at the moment, but this to me looks like an opportunity where this is a mispriced stock. It should not be down 20% year to date.
All right.